Hi everybody, it's Friday, April 21st. So what you need for today is the white computer paper, cardstock paper, and a pencil. And I'm going to explain to you what your assignment is. These are all pictures of rovers. We talked about rovers in the last couple of lessons. So what you're going to do is you are going to design a rover to explore space, and you're going to analyze how that rover and how these images of a rover can be improved, and you're going to do that in your design. So looking at these images, and again, some of these are artist depictions. Obviously, we haven't sent people to Mars on rovers. So think about what would be the pros and the cons of the rovers. Look at the features of them. How do they get their energy? How are they able to go around? How are they able to communicate back with scientists on Earth? How are they able to collect information? What kind of equipment or instruments do they have? What features would help the rovers navigate and explore the surface of Mars? And what design modifications might your rover have to make it even better at navigating and exploring Mars? So for your assignments, here we go. This is what you need to have. Your design needs to contain the following things. You need to have a drawing of your rover. Don't just copy what you see. Make sure that yours is unique. Make sure you label your drawing. Tell me what types of equipment and instruments you have on board. The third one. Think about how you improved on the existing designs that you saw. So don't just draw a picture of a rover. Tell me, how could you improve it? How could you make it better? What modifications could you add to it? So your goal for your design is to be able to send this rover to Mars. So you got to think about what kinds of things you would come into contact with if you were sending this design and sending your rover to Mars. What kind of equipment would it need? What kind of information or equipment would you need to have to study or to research on Mars? Think about those things. So that's your homework. This is going to be due on Monday at the beginning of class. If you need to, you can write this on the board, or you can leave this last slide up and I'll pause it, and so you can have it to reference back with. So again, this is due on Monday at the beginning of class. Make sure your name is on it. If you want to add color, you can. It's not a requirement. Make sure that you've got these three things and your name on it and ready to go on Monday.